How to fix a relationship you ruined. If you made a mistake and now your partner is mad at you, read through our helpful suggestions and consider giving some of them a try. If you two aren't talking, reach out first by sending a text or calling, or meeting up with them in person. If the person you're reaching out to ignores you, try waiting a little bit, and then reaching out again, or move on. Take responsibility for your actions, explain why you did what you did, accept all the blame, and don't try to shift it onto anyone else. Try something like, "I can tell I really hurt you by insulting your job." You may be able to fix your relationship with a genuine apology. Be sure to include what you're apologizing for, so they know you really mean it. Listen to what the other person has to say, and try not to interrupt. Ask follow-up questions to make sure you're really hearing what they're saying. Acknowledge their feelings and tell them that you understand why they feel that way. This will show that you're sorry and that you don't want to cause them pain again. Ask the other person if there's anything you can do to make it right. They might not know right away either, so give it some time before they help come up with a solution. Give the other person space if needed, and respect their wishes if they do. Try not to contact them until they reach out first. If you're trying to make things right with your partner, consider going to stay with a friend for a couple of days. If you hurt someone's feelings, actively do things to make it up to them. Show them that you care by your actions and how much you value their friendship. Think about what led up to the mistake you made, and consider talking to a mental health professional. Turn your mistake into a lesson. If you neglected a friendship for other people, you might have learned how much time and effort friendships require, or you might have learned how to speak respectfully even when you're angry. The person you hurt might forgive you or not, depending on what happened and your relationship together. Accept their decision, even if you don't like it. If you and your partner are struggling with your relationship, go to couples counseling with an unbiased third party. They will help you come up with coping skills so it doesn't happen again.